Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up periodic transfers to your Revolut account. It's quite simple, just open up the Revolut application, and once you do that, navigate to the home page. On the home page, select the Add Money button on the left side of the screen. Once you do that, again on the left you will see this button, and if you tap on it, you can set these automatic top-ups. On the top, choose the card that should be charged for this top-up. The second lane, here you can choose the amount of money that you want to keep as a minimum. So when your balance goes below this amount, it is going to trigger the top-up. And obviously on the bottom, you can set how much money to be transferred once your balance goes below that amount that we previously set. It's pretty simple. If this video was helpful for you, consider subscribing.